So, I just wanted to talk for a couple of minutes about something that I see happen when people come to me for coaching for their business. I see a lot of people start the program, have a few wins, get some wins and, wins on the points on the scoreboard, and then they mentally check out or they think this is great and then they just fall off of the program. And it's so sad because I don't know what's happening. Maybe part of it is some kind of like emotional mindset shift that they just haven't gotten to be more successful. That's a whole other area that, I can't focus on here. But maybe another part of it is that they think, oh, that's great. I've got a couple of wins, whether it's, getting our sales number up, or they implement a couple of systems and then they think, oh, it's running smoother. And then they fall off the program. But inevitably what ends up happening is that it's not a lasting change. It doesn't stay that way, or something else breaks in the process and it's not getting the attention that it should. And so I guess the whole kind of like heart behind this video is just that I wanted to kind of just say, please don't give up. If you're working with someone to really transform your business and make a change and a shift in the culture or the leadership and take it in a direction that you can stop being the one doing all of the things and stop being the bottleneck, you really have to stick to the program because there's no pill that you can take, there's no shot you can take to fix this overnight. This is a process. So if you have been operating your business for even, 5 years or 20, 25 years, if you've been operating a business in such a way and, it's not running smoothly, it's not going to be fixed overnight. Like I said, you can see some wins in the short term, in the first few months of working on your business, but it's not going to fix everything that has, because those choices that you made over those 15, 20 years of running this business, they didn't just happen instantly. So the fix is not going to happen instantly. The problems won't be solved instantly, and you have to be the one to make the change. Having a consultant or someone come in, that's great for some instant fixes and some instant wins, but this is a shift that the owner really has to make, and they have to be the one who's decided that we're going to change the way that we're doing things here. We're not going to operate like this anymore. This has not gotten us as far as we want to go. And so we are changing the way we run things. And so if you're working with a coach or a mentor, don't get those couple of wins under your belt and then stop. You have to keep moving forward. You have to keep growing and keep working towards what that vision that you created was, because if you don't, it's just not going to be lasting. And then you're going to find yourself right back where you were when you first started with the coach. And so it just breaks my heart when I see people do that, because you see their potential and you can't force people. What's the old saying? You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink, right? We can show you the way. We can give you all of the tools and books and encouragement and accountability and coaching, that we know works. But you have to stick with the program. And it's just like a gym membership for fitness. So if you want to get fit or you want to lose weight, there's a process you have to follow. You have to eat right. You have to follow the routine, the fitness routine that your coach sets for you. And you actually have to go and do it. Nobody's going to do it for you. You're not going to lose weight or get healthy or get fit just because you signed up for that program, just because you bought or signed up for a gym membership. It's not just going to happen by osmosis because you're there or near it and I signed up. Okay, great. You actually have to do something and work it. And I think that's where the breakdown happens sometimes with business owners, is that they want those instant results, and that's just not what happens. It's That's just the shift that you have to make. So stick with the program, stay on the course, and see those results. And don't give up when you start seeing a couple of wins. Or if you don't see wins in the beginning, sometimes wins don't come for, 6 months because the problem is such that it needs more work, or it's a bigger issue at hand. There's some companies that we work with who actually, they might have to replace some of the leadership team. They might have to replace some key employees. And that's not something that can be fixed overnight. That takes time. And maybe there's a whole culture shift that happens. Whatever the big issue, the sometimes the issue that you come to a program or a coach with is not what the underlying cause of the problem is. Sometimes those are the symptoms. And when we start working with people, those are the symptoms that we see, and we have them fill out an assessment. But sometimes to get to the actual cause, it's totally different than what you might think. And so those bigger things can sometimes take longer to see a shift in your business and how it's being run and what needs to be done. So it can take time. And so just stick with the program. And if you truly want to transform your business, it does take work and it does take effort, but it can be done. I know it can. I've seen it in my own business, and I've seen it in our clients that we help coach them to success with their business. So I have a free gift for you that I think might help. If you go to skilllevelup.com, I have a free ebook for you. It's called The 5 Secrets of a Phenomenal Business. And that's got some great tools for you to get started on working on your business. And of course, if there's anything that we can help you with, just reach out to us here on this channel or at our website, which I said is skilllevelup.com. Have a great day.